Welcome to the video tutorial of Camtasia Studio. My name is Daniel and I'm going to guide in this video tutorial. Okay, today I'm going to explain you what is Camtasia, basic requirements that your computer should have to the correct function of the software, download and installation process, and starting up with the program. Here we go. What is that? Camtasia Studio is a software developed by TechSmith that it's a company specialized in developing video softwares. It's directed for the fans of recording and video edition in low level. Camtasia is better than Adobe Premiere and Windows Movie Maker in some features like size of the program and a user interface and other things like implement of flash files and made video and DVD menus. Basic requirements. Your computer shall have installed Microsoft Windows XP, Service Pack 3, Windows Vista, Windows 7 or Windows 8. The processor is a very important feature that you have pay attention. You need dual core processor minimum, quad core processor or better recommend. You should have installed Microsoft DirectX 9 or later version. You minimum need 2 GB of RAM or 4 GB RAM, graded recommend. You should have 2 GB free space in your hard disk for the installation of the program, and maybe you need dedicated Windows compatible sound card, microphone and speakers recommend. You also need a webcam to record your face in your videos. Okay, of the program Camtasia Studio you should execute. First we're going to see the properties. It's an executable file. The size of the file is 243 megabytes and only. And then you execute like administrator. In this part it's that recommend that you set up every programs that are you using Windows. There are the license agreement. You should read it because they can demand you if you don't put these agreements. You say that I accept the agreement. In this part they say that if you want to help to improve the using of Camtasia, in this case we are going to say that we're going to decide later. This is an important part in installation. Camtasia is a lucrative program and they give you a 30-day trial evaluation before the after 30 days you're going to buy the program, or if you have a license. In this case we're going to take the 30-day evaluation. And starting off with Camtasia. This is the basic form of Camtasia software, and the first that you'll have To make this, create a new project. In Camtasia you can find three basic areas that are the reproduce area. In this part you can see the media that you are creating, the media files that you are using, and the tracks. In this area are the different tabs that you can use to call tools and other options. These three buttons are so important in Camtasia. Record the screen. This is the most important tool in Camtasia. With this tool you can record anything that you are doing in your computer, create tutorials like this. In this part you can share your video to YouTube or to a screencast, and it is anything that you should know to start use Camtasia.
Hi, I am Macario, college student of Guatemala. In this part we will learn about the tools offered by Camtasia to record video on our computer desktop. To record all screen processes, we go on the red button of Camtasia and press it here. You see, Camtasia allows us to adjust the recording area and also allows the simultaneous use of the built-in camera to make a self-recording, as for example when we are doing a tutorial of the installation of configuration of any software. Now, with the red button marked rec here, we press to start recording. As Camtasia tells us to finish the recording, we have to press the F10 key, and this automatically terminates the process. This is an example for a video. We can see my documents, my hard drive. I have 23.9 gigabytes as free space. We close the windows and we stop the record with this button or with the key F10. We can see the video now. And we can save this. Here there are buttons: produce, delete, save and delete. We can push this button in the desktop, keep it in the desktop, save. We can see our capture. In this part of tutorial we will see how you import multimedia content such as music, video, animations. To import media, press the button import media here, which is on the toolbar of Camtasia. To select the file, navigate to the folders and import with the open button. And first time we can import two pictures, open. Then we can import a video, open. And finally we can import a song. Okay, to add each one in the timeline, select the item, press the right mouse button and select the Add to Timeline to Playhead option. We can add the song with the same way, and we can see we generated a new track. This is because a melody is played in the background of the videos. The imported video to our project, we can add the timeline. In the top right, we can play and view a previous version of our video. This is a little example to learn how to import media from Camtasia. To add transition effects to our video, we can find in this toolbox and drag it to where we want it to take effect. We can put here. There are also figures called callouts here. They serve to insert some message, an indication, a note, and we can use them to give more presentation of the video. This is a small part of how important being media and add effects to our video. We can see a previous version of our video. Now we close this window. Now we will see how you can save a PowerPoint presentation through this desktop application called Camtasia Studio. This is simple. For this we open PowerPoint. Example. For this we open PowerPoint and select in the menu bar Complements and then the Accessories tab. In this panel we see a section. We can see a section of Cam Studio. This is a button for record. This is for record audio, record video, camera, using the camera, and more options. To record the presentation, we have to press the red button record. Camtasia Studio is now recording our presentation. In this case, we have to stop recording.
Hello everybody, my name is Marco Alejandro Gramajo Zaldaña. I'm studying in Science Systems School on Engineering at San Carlos University, and this video is for Technical English 1, and I'm going to show you how to edit and how to manage your content on Camtasia Studio 8. We'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back, and today I'm going to show you how to edit and manage your content on Camtasia Studio 8. So the version that we are using on Camtasia Studio is the version 8.0.2. This is a multi-user version. That means that this version is for everyone that wants to edit and create new content or create new videos, right? Camtasia Studio brings out a lot of tools that you can use to manage and to edit new videos. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to import media. The first thing that you need to do is you need to create new media, right? You already have your media recorded from your desktop or in your or from an external camera. You need to drag it out to Camtasia Studio, right? So we are going to choose import media, right guys, and we are going to choose a random video, right? I'm going to choose a random video. Yeah, this is the video. It's called how to install the best multitasking for your iPhone. Also, this is a random video, okay guys. So I'm going to choose open. Now that your video is on the clip vine, you are going to drag it out to the multi-track line, alright? So now your video is on the multi-track line, but Camtasia Studio asks you, what size do you want your video to be? Alright, this is optional. If you want to have your video in HD, you're going to choose YouTube, or you're going to put up to 720. You're going to choose that. This is the HD version. Or if you want to record your video on a web standard dimensions, you're going to put web. Alright, so I'm going to choose HD and I'm going to put OK, right? So now my video is on HD aspect ratio. I'm gonna now if Camtasia brings out a lot of options, right? If you wanna cut your video, you're gonna press S. You're gonna put the video in the place that you want, and you're gonna put, as you can see right now, the video is cut out, right guys? As you can see right there, the video is cut out. So you can do a lot of things in Camtasia Studio. Well, the main features of Camtasia Studio is that you can edit your video and put extra audio to your video. So I'm gonna show you how to edit your video right now. So you just cut your video, you go to here, just click cut, and your video is going to be cut, right? So, or you could press, or if you made a mistake, you put Control C and you will be restoring your old process again, right? So you can edit your video. Just put you can cut your video. You can cut your video. You can put it in whatever place you want, or and also you can edit your audio. I'm gonna show you how to edit your audio right now. Well, you can put an extra audio to your video. You go to click bind. You go to import media, and we are going to choose random music right now. I'm gonna choose Sleep Away, right? So now my audio is on the clip bind, and I'm gonna drag it up to the multi-track line, right? So now I'm going to silence these parts, and I go to edit audio, and I'm going to silence. Right now the only audio that is going to be in the video is Sleep Away. Yes, so that's the main feature of Camtasia Studio. You can also add some transitions to your video, rotate, fade in, circle, reveal. You can add a lot of transitions to your video. You can do zoom and panning in the best parts or in the most important parts for you in your video, or you can zoom out your video, right? So hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up. This was Alejandro Gramajo Zaldaña from section F, signing out. Thanks for watching.